Hello, and this is Gaia, and my little brother Roxanne. Oh yes, by the way, let me think of it. If you hear this buzzing noise, it's not really supposed to be on, but I'll try and stop it as soon as I can. I know it's quite annoying. And also my voice is so loud on here. So, anyway, I am going to be doing lots of different videos. And I'm going to do lots of photos, lots of audio, lots of everything. And then I'm going to be well, my sexy thing. Anyway, you can call me Krista. No. Let's pick your name. Please can you send me inside the comments what you would like my name to be for Minecraft. Thank you. Because I'm going to get Minecraft on my computer and print it so I can show you Minecraft. And give you the tutorial and all stuff like that. And what's me building? Yeah, this can be quite fun. Anyways, that's the method. That's the method. This is my little brother. And say hello. In your normal voice. Hello. And as soon as my mum comes home, of course I will make another video to make up for the noise. Okay? That's all I've got.